bakla. Kung kasalanan ko ang pagiging bakla, ngayon pa lamang po ay hingi na po ko ng kapatawaran. Ngunit kung ang kinagayahan at kasiyahan ang batid po namin sa inyong barangay, maaari po ba namang malimos ang isang masigabong anak bakal? Pagpupukay sa mga taong tinatawag nating magsasaka. My name is Ramon Orial, 21 years old, but tonight this is a project. Love me or hate me, I will be your Miss Jillian Ward. Jillian Ward, sabihin lamang po ng isang katagang hindi basta, hindi rin nakakatawa, ngunit sa lamang tagpuan, na ang tunay na rin na wala ng halong patugsana, pang-aapak sa kapwa kandidata, hayaan na lang po natin ang manonood, partikular ang mga hurado, kung sino ang karapat dapat patungan ng corona. Dahil sa ganitong uri na pagpipala, may taga San Jose del Monte ang tatata. Maraming salamat po. Masusunugan ng bahay. Ang hindi pumalakpak ng mas malakas, iiwanan ng mga jowa. Ang hindi pumalakpak ng mas malakas na may kasamang malakas na hiyawan, mamamatay. Joke lamang po pa, thank you. My dearest panel board of judges, my loveliest audiences tonight, I always believe that there is only one thing that makes our dream impossible, and that is fear of failure. For I believe that failing is another form of winning, and that is learning. My name is Bim Bim, or Ranza Al-Marinayam 20-year-old stunner, which all hails all the way from Barangay Holy Spirit, Quezon City, and I'm proud to say that I'm one of my barangay's HIV and AIDS advocates. A Bachelor of Science in Public Administration graduate from College of St. Adelines, graduated with the highest distinction, magna cum laude. But since tonight, this is a battle of beauty and brain. Ako po ay walang ginagaya. Dahil naniniwala po ako na ang gantong itsura at ang gantong ganda ay walang kapareha. Again, this is Bim Bim or Ranza Al-Marin saying, I will be right back and show you the best performance tonight. See you. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, she is your candidate number 2, Bim Bim or Ranza.
homosexual is not to diminish our humanity, disrespecting our society. But this is about to be love, to give love, to be respected and to give respect to each other. Good evening, Grandma Court! My name is Jem Marie Eugenio. But tonight, let me allow to use the name. Ang babaeng nagpatibok sa pusong bika na napakaraming kalalakihan ay nag-iisang Mami Oni ng Toro family. Opo, tama po kayo. Ako nga po, ang nag-iisang lato girl ng Pilipinas, Miss Tony Fowler. Tony Fowler na nag-iiwan na napakahikling katagang. If you have it, then show it. Kaya natin mamatay sila sa inggit. Good evening, maraming salamat po.
Ladies and gentlemen, she is your candidate number 3, Miss Jem Marie Eugenio, aka Tony Fowler.
Wala po daw kalagtakan dyan. Wala po ba hiyawan dyan? At hindi gumalang pa at umiyaw, mamamatay. Just kidding aside, a pleasant evening, ladies and gentlemen. Standing in front of you, 16 years old, taking humanities and social sciences, grade 11 student at St. Francis Technical Institute. Well, I am Bella Cardone, hailing all the way from the land of the leading bargains. Barangay 178, Camarillo, Caloocan City. Tonight, is your loud name stand by me. Ang babaeng nagpatibok sa puso ni Tanggol. Opo, nga po. Ang babaeng umanang bilang mohang sa Batang Quiapo. Opo, ako nga po. Walang katulad, Miss Love po. Love po na nag-iiwan ng isang kataga. Ang tunay na reyna. Kahit may sakit na, patuloy sa paghirapan. Maraming salamat po.
She is your candidate number 4, Miss Bella Corion, aka Mommy Co. Special mention to Gerald.
Iyawan dyan. Wala po ba palakpakan dyan? At wala po ba makakain dyan? Joke lamang po. I say first education before love and devotion. It is a good occupation to the younger generation. This is JJ Rodriguez in Ojalas in your life. But tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name of girl who represents the province of Cebu from Miss Universe Philippines 2022. Pati po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-isang Chantal. Chantal na nag-iiwan ng isang talaga ng tao nagpapakataas o siya nagpapakababa. At ang tao nagpapakababa o siya tinataas. Maraming salamat po.
Ladies and gentlemen, she is your candidate number 5, JJ Rodriguez, aka Chantal Ali. Once again, our next candidate is candidate number 6.
People of Crema, muli, ang hindi pumalakpak, mamamatay. Ang hindi pumalakpak na may kasamang sigawan, masusunugan ng bahay. Never, ever let anyone put you down. Only those who are stronger and wiser will be then definitely called as a survivor. A glorious evening to each and everyone. My name is Maya Vargas, a 20-year-old of age, all the way last from the biggest and the largest barangay in our country today, Barangay 176, Bagong Silang, Caloocan City. At ngayong gabi, hayaan niyo po akong gamitin ang pangalan at ang mukha ng babaeng bawat makatitigan. Baka inyong hanap-hanapin. Ang babaeng huwag niyong pakahawakan, baka hindi niyo na mapigilan. Inosente sa tingin, ngunit hayop ang dating. Bakit di niyo po sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang Sara Labati? Sara Labati na nag-iiwan ng isang paalala para sa mga kalalakihang nagbababae. Mamakla na lang kayo. Dahil pag ng babae kayo, magdidate kayo, tsak, gagastos ka. Kapag nabuntis mo, ipapacheck up mo, tsak, gagastos ka pa rin. Kapag nagkapamilya at kinasal kayo, paghahandaan mo, gagastos ka. Pero, pag namangla ka, pipikit ka lang. May 5K ka na, may iPhone 15 ka pa. Magandang gabi po.
Tama mali. Tama mali. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, she is your candidate number 6, Maya Vargas, aka Sarah Labati.
si Adam. But Adam sat in lonely, so God created a woman, and that is Eve. And standing in front of you is a real man, but pretending to become a real woman. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan, should I say good evening, mabuhay. Kamusta po kayo? People of Grema, na-miss ko kayo. Ako nga pala ang isa sa mga tinanghal na Queen of Grema 2022. Na ngayon, susubukan ang aking kapalaran para masungkit ang corona ng Queen of Mondragon. My name is Queen Carla Alcazar, all the way last, mula po sa bayan ng magigiting na Subo, Batangas. I am 19 years old stunner. Twenty. 25. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't matter what is your age. As long as you can do kind to other people, you can be a queen by yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, pagkat ngayong gabi, hayaan niyo pong iramin ang pangalawang mukha tuwing gabi na inyong kinakainisan sa probinsyano na minsan nang tumatawag na regard. Ilabas mo na ang miyempo. Apo, tama po kayo. Ako si Lena ngayong gabi. Binibining Mercedes Cabral na nag-iiwan ng isang katagang. Kailanman po ay hindi masama ang pagiging bakla na katulad ko kung hindi po kami mismo ang gagawa ng sarili namin ikasasama. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat. Enjoy the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, she is your candidate number 8, Queen Carla Alcazar, aka Mercedes Cabral.
Hello.
Ay, sorry po.
Now, I finally caught your attention. Tonight, each and every candidate wants to be remarkable. I may not be the prettiest, nor the sexiest, but I believe that simplicity is beauty, and being simple makes me truly remarkable. Naimbaga na biigin na kayo amin, Apo? Or should I say good evening to each and everyone? Standing before you is all the way last from the home of the art and home of the Higantes Festival of the Philippines. Municipality of Angono, Province of Rizal. And tonight, standing before you is actually you've witnessed as part of the Miss International Queen Philippines NCR representing Pasig City. And been part of national team and represent Philippines in Southeast Asian Games 2019 and aerobic gymnastics. Yes, I am Clean Rames 20, and the costume that I'm wearing for tonight is a celebration of Maria Clara gown. And I believe that wearing a national costume is not about how big or glamorous it is, but it is about how you give life to the costume that you are wearing. And tonight, before I end this portion, I'd like to say this to you. Living in this gender preference is very difficult. We may be criticized and discriminate, but then again, we will still pursue all of you tonight that we, in this modern time, will make a stand as a human being. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, she is your candidate number 9, Lane Ramos, aka May.
Are we talking about cultural, festival, or national costumes? I think my costume was part of what we call Filipino culture. I am proud and dignified to wear one of the most famous cultural transportation here in our country. From the big capital of the Philippines and the Polo province of Rizal.
song.
By the way, this is just Marie Illustre, a 25-year-old singer, hailing all the way last, where you can celebrate and witness the Magsasaka Festival and the island capital of the Philippines, from municipality of Talavera, province of Nueva Ecija. But tonight, let me embody and capture the image of the one and only. Yes, simply. I am your Miss Universe 2019 and your favorite South African goddess. Wala po bang pa, labakan at hiyawan para kay Beni-Beni, Zosie Bini Tunzi. Zosie Bini Tunzi say, noong tunay na rin na, kailanman hindi mo kailangan ng korona, pagkos ang tunay na rin ay may advokasya ng lipunan. Kasi Lord, yes indeed, I am an advocate of what we call an official Ariata here in our country. Opo, marahil nagtataka po kayo kung bakit may lumabas na album sa ganitong uri ng patimpala. Opo, apakan, yurakan, laitin niyo man ang aking pagkatao. As long as wala akong ginagawa sa inyo, yun ang magpapatunay na ang tunay na rin ay hindi naman nasa corona, pagkus kung anong nilalaman ng iyong puso at damdamin. Daghang salamat po.
Ladies and gentlemen, she is your candidate number 10, Jessica Marie Illustre, aka Zosie Bini Tunzi.
Paano naman ako gaganaan magpakilala kung walang naririnig na palakpakan? Pero mas lalo kong gaganahan kung
may marinig ako. Sigawan! Thank you so much. Finally, I got the attention of all the audience tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, what we are is God given to us. Ladies and gentlemen, we should be careful of our thoughts because our thoughts may become our words. Our words may become our action, and our action may become our personality that will mold and determine one's destiny. The girl who was standing in front of you is currently a third-year college student taking the course of Bachelor of Arts, major in political science. Originally came from the home of the Islands Adventure, Surigao City, but we're currently studying at the home of the humble and gentle people of Katmon, Ampara Subdivision. This is Bea Maritan Dayag, 21, but tonight, since this is a big pageant, distinguished panel board of judges, now and sir. Under all audience tonight, let me stand by the name of your one of the most gorgeous faces in ABS-CBN. Your Pinoy Big Brother Season 7 Grand Winner, ang iyong nag-iisa, Ama Caballera, Miss Maymay Entrada. Maymay Entrada saying na ang tunay na reyna, gumarambang kahit kabuwanan niya na. And I'm very proud to represent this costume all the way from the municipality of Cordova, city of Cebu, the Dinagat Festival. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, she is your candidate number 11, Bea Marie Panaya, aka Maymay Entrada.
Trust in the Lord with your whole heart and do not depend on your own understanding. Buenas noches, amigos cis compañeros, ye compañeras, the girl who's naked in your eyes in fresh and indeed innocent 21 years old sinner, hailing truly all the way last from the biggest and the largest barangay nowadays. My barangay, your barangay, Barangay 176, North Caloocan City. My real name in real life is Daniel Belmonte, currently taking a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration at Bethlehem College of the Philippines, and the one and only owner of Didi's Gowns and Costumes Rental. But since this is a pageant, distinguished panel board of judges, and to the audience for tonight's competition, let me stand by the name of your one and only TNT, Tawag ng Tanghalan Champion 2018. Ako nga po, ang nag-iisa, Jenny Birdie. By the way, this national costume that I'm wearing for tonight represents our very own farmers for their good harvest. From the city of Mindanao, the Cagayawan Festival of the Philippines, Davao City, Daghang Salamat